Hey guys, welcome to Tan Lap Floating Forest. So Tan Lap is about 100 k's northwest of Ho Chi Minh City. It's known for its floating forest. We've come out here and we're staying in this hotel behind us, which is situated right in the middle of the floating forest. It's only costing us $18 a night, and for that we get breakfast included. We're on the 4th floor with basically a brand new hotel room. It's small, but it has a great bathroom, and you get great views out over the floating forest as well. So the reason we're getting it for $18 a night is because we're using our booking.com discount code. If you haven't heard me talk about that before, basically you can get discounts off accommodation by using the booking.com discount code. I'll leave ours down below so that you can get $20 off your next stay. So there's actually heaps of things to do when you get here. There's a rowing boat tour, there's a cable boat tour, you can do fishing, you can walk through the forest, there's an observation tower, there's a ton of different things that you can do. So included in the cost of the hotel is actually the admission price to get into the floating forest, which allows you to walk around and see everything. You do have to pay extra to do the boat tours. So we've chosen to spend a couple of days here to see as many of the different things as we can. Well guys, this is the cable car boat ride. It cost us 80,000 dong per person to come on this, although there is a ticket where you can pay 200,000 dong per person and also get a buffet lunch. It's an unmanned boat that's pulled along by an underwater cable, which means that you get a really peaceful journey through the floating forest. It takes about 50 minutes to do the full circuit. If you come during high season, which is in September, you're going to get a ton of flowering lotuses around the entire circuit. We're here in February at the moment, so there's not as many, but there's still heaps of flowering lotuses all around. So there's a 5-kilometre walk through the melaleuca forest that you can do, and that's what we're doing today. So the walkway itself is a concrete bridge that they've built to go above the water, so you're basically walking over the water for the entire walk. The forest that you can see is all melaleuca trees, which we know back home as tea trees. So when we went on the rowboat tour, it was a small rowboat that was rowed through the melaleuca swamps by a lady. You get to go down some really narrow pathways that are cut out through the swamp, and you get to see all kinds of bird life and everything as well. So one of the other activities that you can do while you're here in Tan Lap is you can actually pay 30,000 dong and you can hire these bamboo fishing poles and you can go fishing in the rivers around here. So there's some massive catfish in the rivers here. So I paid my 30,000 for a couple of hours and I'll see if I can catch any. Well, I haven't had any luck fishing this afternoon, but there's definitely tons of fish in there. There's been a couple of other guys that have been out there fishing as well, and they were catching a few little ones. So yeah, I'm going to call it a day now. Well guys, that was the 10-lap floating forest. We've really loved it here, and for us it was one of the highlights of the Mekong Delta. It's a place that's not really in any of the must-see tour guides. We actually found out about it by mistake a little bit by reading a guy's blog who travels through Vietnam on a motorbike, but it's definitely somewhere that you need to come and see if you're in the area. Thanks so much for watching guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit like down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye!